Today we're going to be talking about the Black Friday sale going on with Shiba Inu Coin. Let's get into the video. Hi everyone, my name is Zach and welcome back to Finance Bro. Before we get into the video, I'd like to ask you guys to please make sure you guys leave a comment of how many Shiba Inu coins you have, how many you want to have, and then also consider leaving a like and subscribe as it really helps with the growth of the channel. And if you guys want some free Shiba Inu coin, then go ahead and get signed up with Public with the first link in the description. Deposit $1 and you'll get up to $70 worth of free stock, which you can then sell that stock if you want to, and then you can invest in Shiba Inu coin with that said stock. So if you guys want some free Shiba Inu coin, use that first link in the description. With all that out of the way, let's get straight into our crypto for today, which is going to be Shiba Inu Coin. So obviously not a very happy day, not a very good day for Shiba Inu Coin. We are on a Black Friday sale. I like how someone in my comment section, I forget who it was, if you guys want to comment down below, I'll try to pin your comment, but someone said, hey, I'm seeing this as an early Black Friday sale, and I couldn't agree with you more. Getting Shiba Inu Coin at these prices is extremely good. We are going to be talking about technical analysis. We're going to be talking about why Shiba Inu Coin is down and whether or not it's going to continue to rise. So if you guys want to hear any of that, go ahead and stick around till the end of the video. But the first thing I want to do is check on the social activity of Shiba Inu Coin like we do every day. And with this whole drop in price, it has actually led to a lot of people talking about it online. We are almost the number one most active crypto or stock on StockTwits. We are the most active crypto on StockTwits. We are 300 messages in the last 24 hours behind Oxygen, which I assume will probably pass them by the time we live stream later today. Make sure you guys subscribe if you want to come to that live stream. But anyways, we are also the third most added to watch list on StockTwits. Third most added to watch list in the last 24 hours, that is. You can see here that when you click on Shib, they have about almost 136,000 people watching Shib on StockTwits. So that's really good. Another thing to check over here is that we're still green on a lot of these different things. However, obviously we're not as green as we were this whole last week. But what I really want to talk about is this purple line. So if you guys weren't aware, this purple line basically indicates how much Shiba Inu Coin is being talked about online, and it's been in the dumps for the past couple of days, which led to a break in the support and obviously the rest of this tumble. Obviously it's a little bit more complicated than that for why Shiba Inu Coin is down, which we're about to talk about. However, in the past couple of hours, the volume is picking up as well as the social volume. You can see this purple line. Whenever the purple line is above the blue line, that is a very good indicator that we could definitely see a pump in price, kind of like we have over the past couple of hours. We have been doing a lot better than obviously the last day where we were just tanking down, but overall the social activity is looking good and it's looking up. But anyways, I want to get into why Shiba Inu Coin kind of dropped. For the most part, it was a technical thing. Obviously there wasn't any news, so we were kind of just on a steady decline, and then yesterday mid live stream, obviously we broke that support line that we had already bounced off 4 times, and then we just it triggered some fear. There wasn't any news coming out. People are like, what is even on the horizon? And then a lot of paper-handed people decided to sell. Now, I don't want to be mean to anyone. I don't want to, try to scare you guys out of selling your Shib. If you want to, we're never going to tell you whether to buy or sell Shib. You guys should handle your finances however you want. We're just trying to give you guys the most up-to-date news, and you guys can make your own decisions, because that's how you're going to really do well, is when you're making your own decisions. However, I can tell you that what we're doing, I personally bought $150 worth of Shib during the live stream yesterday, and I added on dips this morning. You guys don't have to do exactly what I do. You guys can sell if you're scared, move on to the next thing, go for it. However, personally, I am buying more. Anyway, so Shib is plunging, a prominent crypto whale is making way. So we talked about this a bit in the last we talked this a bit in the live stream yesterday. However, basically what happened, I'm trying to find it in this, here we go. More than 40 trillion coins were moved Wednesday from a wallet of a Shiba Inu whale, one of the largest holders of the coins, to 4 wallets. So basically, that may have spooked individual investors and prompted the sell-off. The Shiba Inu holder has been identified by crypto whale watchers as the investor who turned an initial investment of $8,000 into Shiba Inu into $5.7 billion. Now, a lot of people are extremely scared that when this guy moved it into 4 different wallets, that he was going to be selling off some different wallets, maybe keeping some in one wallet, but probably maybe selling off a couple of these wallets so that he can get some of that $5.7 billion, which would obviously trigger an even bigger sell-off. However, it's not confirmed. We don't know who this guy is. It's not confirmed that he will be selling or anything of that nature, but when he moved all of that into 4 different wallets, people got a little bit scared that he was going to sell it off, and that's most likely what triggered that downtrend yesterday. And then paired with breaking that support that was extremely strong support, it basically just led to a bunch of fear, uncertainty, and doubt, and then people who kind of need their money that they had put in Shib had to take it out just because of how much it was plunging. Now, that's not the way to invest. You want to invest when it's down, and you want to sell when it's high. Obviously, buy low, sell high, but really, that is what you want to do. You shouldn't be selling when it's on a 20% downtrend, in my opinion, unless you think it's going to go to zero. Now, we obviously know, as Shiba Inu Coin investors, we have Shibarium, we have the Shiboshi's game, we have a developer that has made Shiba Swap. They have, the team at Shiba Inu Coin has done extremely well. So there's nothing that leads me to believe that this is just going to be a pump and dump scheme where they all rug pull us. Like, it's already way past that. You can't get to a $30 billion market cap without people taking their profits. But anyways, I still think personally that we are fine and that we will be going back to all-time highs very soon. But yeah, that was kind of the situation that we had. But anyways, we can now come here to CoinMarketCap, and we haven't seen a good day in the overall crypto market either. We're down about 1.5% to 2.67 trillion. Bitcoin is down to 61,000. Ethereum's down to 4,000, although it's coming from a fall from grace. They had all-time highs yesterday. You can see that Shiba Inu Coin down 17%, down 20% on the week. The market cap sitting at about $28 billion. The volume, however, is a lone bright spot. The volume has been picking up, and it has been picking up with the buy volume in the past about 2 hours. As you guys can see down here, this is where the volume's at. When we started to trend back up, that was when the buy volume came. So we're getting a lot of buying volume right now, and it's looking like we kind of bottomed out here at the 43 level. However, when you check the historical data, yesterday when we had all this, it was basically all sell volume yesterday, because we only had about $6 billion in volume and $5 billion in volume the day before when we were falling. Now we are starting to come back up in the past 2 hours, and the volume is really picking up. So I'm actually looking pretty bullish over the last 2 hours. All right, and now we can go into a bit of technical analysis. People might be thinking, hey, when is this hemorrhaging gonna stop? I can see it stopping in 2 places. So this is a temporary support line, obviously, because we bounced off this at the 4.4 level. Now, obviously, just because we had 2 green candlesticks does not mean that we will obviously bounce back up and go to all-time highs like right away. We could see us go back down to 44. So buying at the 52 level, while I think it's a good idea, it might be better to buy closer to the 44 level. However, if we do break this, the next support line I would probably see is definitely at the 38 level. So I'm a bit cautious of buying at the 44 level until it's kind of bounced off it a few more times. However, like with large amounts. However, I think we'll hold this support at the 44 level pretty well. But yeah, make sure you guys comment how many Shiba Inu coins you have, how many you want to have, and then also consider leaving a like and subscribe, because it really helps with the growth of the channel. Make sure you guys subscribe. If you guys want to watch our live streams, you'll get notified, or you can see it on the home screen when we're going live. I'm going to try to go live around 3 or 4 today, so if you guys want to come, make sure you guys come through. Also, make sure you guys leave a like, and I already said that, but make sure you guys get your free stock from Public. I'm going to keep this candid, and you can get some free Shiba Inu coin with that. First link in the description. That's going to be it for today. My name is Zach, and I hope to see you in the next video.